Hi guys, I'm very excited because I received this fingerprint doorknob lock for ring purposes, and let's take it out of the box. Here we've got the manual with the installation guide. As you can see, we just require a Phillips screwdriver and a tape measure, and it comes with two keys, 2 screws B's, 4 screws A's, a zero knob, the inside knob, the latch, the strike plate, and the box. So we can connect it to an app so we can read our fingertip, which is really nice. And take it out. Oh, it's actually really nice. It's a really sleek design, which I like a lot. Okay, let's see what else comes with. Well, here are the keys. I don't know where would you put it. I'm gonna see the manual where to use the keys. Okay, here is the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna install it and see how it goes. Let's go. Okay, so you've already installed it and configured, and as you can see, if you turn the knob without putting your finger, it won't open, this won't move, but now it does, and it will automatically lock, as you can see. But if you doesn't have or you are someone that doesn't put his fingerprint on the application, you just press this little button right here, and with the keys that it comes, you can open the door and it will lock. It has some really nice functions like setting the lock with your phone or getting the lock out of your phone. I have my phone rolling so I can not do it, but it's a really nice function to have when you have your phone and you want someone to come in. You can just activate the doorknob with the phone instead of going to the place or standing up. And I would really recommend it. See ya!